become free.
Okay, let's open it. Open it up. Push the trash out of the way. Okay, open up your beast.
I can't open it, Daddy. Daddy, we're going to build a beast. We're going to build another beast. We're going to build a green beast. We're going to build a green beast, Daddy. It has black arms. It feels good. But look, hey, I have this too, Mama. Come on. I have this, Daddy. I have this rolling hairbrush. Oh, and this. Hey, I can get this out, Daddy. This is slime, Daddy. It says big green wings. Like Evan does. Evan has coconut wings. It's coconut. But where's this? Look, it's a tail. Sing. Look, it's another thing. What is this?
Tell me.
Whoa. Look at his feet. Look at this. What is this, Daddy?
What's it stand?
This, Daddy.
It's a claw.
It's a tail. It's a tail, but I can't get it out. Whoa. It's slime, Daddy. What is this, Daddy? What is this? This, Daddy.
It's a leg.
What is this too? What is this? Get the slime out. What at his leg? But where is this other piece go, Daddy?
Now get it out of the slime.
I can't get another piece.
Yeah, grab it, just like that.
Hey, look. This, Daddy.
It's a shield.
Because it brushes my core.
Get its other wing.
Look, it's slimy, Daddy. Slime. But I can't find another piece. It's gone.
Hey, right here.
But
Right here. There's the last one.
what is this?
That's its stand.
And because it's a quill. Whoa. It's slimy. It's slimy. Can I? Daddy, this is a quill.
pieces together. Push them together. Push them together. Good job.
Phew. That is his body. It works like as well.
Christopher, where's his tail? Oh, there's his tail. Okay, put his tail on back here.
Wait, here. It's a whale. The whale, Daddy. Daddy, I did it. Now get in the way of the pouch.
Okay. These are his front arms.
Not yet. This is not tight now.
It doesn't get tight, it moves.
It's a whale.
Its tail.
It works like a whale.
These are its front arms. This one goes here. Push it on. Push. Push, push, push. Okay, and this one goes here. Push, push, push. Okay.
Look, it's a laptop. Pinch, pinch, pinch.
Yeah, pinch, pinch. Can you put the back legs on?
If they go under heel. But where did this one go?
This one goes right here. Push it on. This one goes here. Push it on. Whoa.
A dinosaur. Wow.
And then let's put his neck on. Neck goes here. Push. Ah. You got it?
Yeah.
And then his head.
This is
Push his
my
head.
wolf, Daddy.
Yeah, push his head.
Push.
Whoa, look, his mouth opens.
He sounds everything.
Okay, how about his wings?
Pink. Open. Open. Oh. Can I put it right now? You can. Of course. I do this again.
Yay. Now you gotta put his wings on.
It's a wolf. I don't like fruit. What?
He's a big wolf. Okay, push. Push. Okay, ready?
It's
And
a
over.
wing. Wait, ooh.
Alright, push, push.
Ooh.
Okay.
And now it's this pouch.
Yeah, and that goes right here. Can you do it yourself?
No. Can you do it yourself? It has two pokes.
It has two pokes, you're right. Wait, push. Okay, and then we gotta put these on his.
Daddy, I have to put these together.
These go on his legs.
Hey, this.
These go on his legs. Rawr.
Not yet, Daddy. We need this to. Can you do it yourself?
This
It's
goes in.
Breakout Beast.
And then push this on here. Push it down. Yep, right there. You were right. Right here.
Now it's nice and tight.
And then the beast.
Bust. I said beast bust. Huh? Daddy, can you do it again, Daddy?
Wait, put the egg on the slime. Put the egg on the slime. Look at the camera and say thank you for watching the video.
Thank you,